Case name Rajat, age is 10 years and today date is 8th May 2024 and complaint of non-fluent speech from childhood. So why you came here? From which place you came?
I have came from Pune, Maharashtra. I have a problem of stammering.
Post-therapy video of Rajat, and today date is 15th of May 2024. Rajat, why you came here and from which place you came and how do you feel after the therapy?
My name is Rajat Kiribua. I was having a stammering problem. Today I am feeling better and now I am not stammering.
Okay, have you spoken to anyone, any friends and relatives after the therapy yesterday or today?
Yes, I have spoken to my friends today. They told that you don't have any stammering and your voice is also clear.
Okay, and any relatives you told?
Yeah, I have told my relatives that.
Which relative? Grandfather, grandmother, who are?
I have told my grandpa and grandma that now I am not suffering from stammering and now I am mostly recovered.
Okay, yeah, this is very correct. You have mostly improved. It has not been completely cured. Thank you so much. Can we use the video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.